Hello everyone. In this tutorial we'll learn about Python library function and build user defined function. In Python there are lot of built-in library function that we are using and will be using for all the programming. So how to understand that which one is a function? A function always ends with parentheses. Say for example print is a function, input is a function. Now I will show you some math related library function and its purpose. Say for example print abs minus 10. This library function will give the absolute value. Absolute value is 10. Print max 20, 10. It will give the maximum of 2. 20 is the max value. Print min 20, 30. What is the minimum value is 20. Print square root sqrt 25. In this case it shows error. So what we have to do, we have to import this function from math import all. Math library, we have imported all the function. Now the error has gone and the square root of 25 is 5. Print power 2, 3. It will give the 2 to the value of 2 to the power 3. Print round value of 3.7 is 4. But there are another two function, print floor. So even if it is 3.9, it will give the floor value 3. See, and another one is ceiling. Print CEIL ceiling 3.8 or 3.2. It will give the value of 4. Top value it will give. So we have got to know how to use math related functions in our programming. Now you can format it. Say for example print absolute value of minus 10. You can write the absolute value of minus 10 is let's see what it is. The absolute value of minus 10 is 10. This is called formatting. We'll learn more about it in coming videos. The max, you have to put it in inverted comma, the max value of the 2 is, say, concatenate separated with comma. Now find the max value of the 2. The max value of the 2 is 20. Here we can also format inverted comma, the mean value of the 2 is comma. You see the mean value of the 2 is 20. So this way you can also format the result. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel so that I can give and teach you in-depth Python programming language, data science, and machine learning algorithm. Thank you very much.